Hello everyone, today I'm starting unit 14 from grade 3 math learner book. Let's start. Lesson 14.1 Time. How many times can you clap your hand in 1 minute? It's according to you. In 1 minute you can clap 10, 20, 30, 40 times. So let's assume it's estimate it's 49. But when you measure exactly, it's near to 35, 35 or 35 times. How many times can you stamp your feet in 1 minute? Put your feet on the floor, one, two, three, like this. So if it's 1 minute, 50 normal. When you estimate, it's 40, because when you put it down and back and put down, it's near to 40. Write three things that would take more than a minute to do. You can write any three things which need more than a minute. Washing hand or drinking coffee, eating pizza, and drinking tea, drinking juice. Normally it will take more than a minute. If you sleep 8 hours a night, how many hours do you sleep in a week? So easy. In a week we have 7 days. We have 7 days. So if you sleep 8 hours a night, so 7 multiply 8 equal 56. So it means you will sleep in a week 56 hours. I took question and their answer about the thing that you can that take you hours to do. No need, if you write the question, no need to write the answer. But mostly an hour you will traveling from one city to another, or from within a city, from home to your school. It's take maybe 20-25 minutes if it's little bit far away, so or something like that. So that will take your hours to do. Or traveling from one city to another city, maybe 2 or 3 hours. Or you have flight from one city to another city. Normally, it take you more than 1 hour. So it's upon you which I think you will choose. Next page number 203. Use the calendar to find the answers. We have the month of April, May, and June. Raoul planned a holiday to last 2 weeks. He left on 15 May. When did he arrive? 15 May. Yeah. So after 2 weeks, 1 week, 2 week, 29. So 29. My month not change, the same month. So 29th May. School will close for a holiday on 40th April. Learner will go back to school 20 days later. So what date do they go back to school? 20 days later from 14 April. This is 14 April, then 20 days. Okay, this until here 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. It's mean 4th May after 20 days. It's 4th May. Let's do again. School will close for a holiday on 14th April. This is 14 April. So after this, learner will go back to school 20 days later. So let's move 20 days. 7 plus 7, 14. It's been until the 28th, it's 14 days gone. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 4th of May. Let's move to the next page. Question part C. 4 week after 3rd May is my birthday. What date is that? 3rd May and 4 week after 3rd May. 3rd May here, 4 week after 3rd May. 1, 2, 3, 4, 31, 31st, we can say. So we can write here 31st. The same month, my dentist appointment was on 24th June. I was asked to go 2 weeks earlier. When did I go to my appointment? From 24th, go back. 24th, which month? June, I think. Yes, 24th. So where is 20, this one? So 2 week earlier, 1 week, 2 week. So it's 10 June. Choose from the choice in the boxes to estimate the length of time each of these activities would take. 1 hour, 1 clap. Okay, it will take 1 hour, 1 minute, less than 1 minute, less than 1 minute. I'm writing here the number because it's difficult to write all. This is A, this one B, this one C, and this one D. Okay, 1 clap. I'm choosing C. Why? Because less than 1 minute. Walk around your classroom. Maybe 1 minute or more than 1 minute. Stamp your foot. Less than 1 minute. Blink your eyes. Again, less than 1 minute. Math lesson. 1 hour. A. Travel to school. Maybe more than 1 minute, not 1 hour, but more than 1 minute. Get dressed. Maybe 1 minute it will take. So it's B. Eat your breakfast. More than 1 minute. What would take you more than an hour to do? So you will write for a math lesson. It's maybe more than 1 hour. More than 1 hour, maybe 1 hour and 50 or 30 or 20 minutes. So you can write a math lesson. If you have two regular period, because one period is 45 minutes. If two periods, so 1 hour and 30 minutes. Let's move to the next page. Question number 5. I was born in April 1999. My sister was born in March 1996. So we can see here 2 month calendar. Our birthdays, our birthdays are both on the 26th. How many days apart are there? So 26th. I was born in April 1999. My sister was born March 1996. So our birthday are both on 26. How many days apart are they? Okay. So from here, it's 1996, 1999. It's 3 year. 96, 97, 98, 99. So 3 year, take out from a side. And after this, how many days from March to April? There are 31 days. So we can write it 3 years and 31 days. My brother was born in 2007, 9 days after my birthday. What day was he born? 2007, and we here 1999. Okay, so until 2007, it's 2000 and 2007, 8 years. Okay, after 8 years, we are going which date? Uh, 9 days. So it's 2007, and what is the date after 21, 22? It's the 5th May, because 9 day it's extra, so we are writing here 5th May. If you want to write the year, so it's 2007, but it's written here what day was he born. So if it's 5th May, how you can know easily? Just you, there are 9 days. So my birthday was 26th of April. So from 26 plus 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 here, and the next month of May, then May 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the coming 5. It's been the 5th of May. He has his brother was born. Okay. So no need to write any other thing like year or something else. Just write the date. If you want to write the day, then you can write it obviously. This 26th, the day was Monday. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the day was Wednesday. So we can write it. If you want to write the day, it's the Wednesday or Wednesday. How much older is my sister than my brother? How much older is my sister than my brother? Sister was 1996. 1996 plus 10, 2006 plus 1, 2007. After 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11 years. So she's older 11 years. Again, simple. She was born in 1996 and the brother was born in 2007. So 2007 minus 1996. So you can get easily the answer. 7 minus 6, 1, and 200 minus 199. So it's 111. 200 minus 199, only 1. So 11 years. Otherwise, you can do simply take carry 1 from here to here to here, then as you want. But the simple 200 minus 199, it's coming 1. So it's 11 year. Let's move to the next page. Next question. Let's move to the next page. Question number 6. Use the calendar to help you solve these problems. A bag of bird food last 6 days. You open the pack on Thursday, 4th. When you will open the next bag, the first bag of bird, it's last for 6 days. It means after 6 days, it's finished. So you need to open the next bag for birds, the food. So let's do it. Thursday, 4th. Mean you open the first bag this day. So the next bag you will open after 6 days. So let's count it after 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means you need to open the next bag on 10th of June, or you can say on Wednesday. So we write 10th June. I plan to visit the zoo on the 30th, but went 2 weeks earlier. When did I go? I plan to visit the zoo on 30th, on this day, on Tuesday, but went 2 weeks earlier. Go back 1 week and 2 weeks. It's mean you need to go on 16th of that month of June. 1 week if I am on today is 7, so next week on the same day it's 14. After 1 week complete, then after one more week or 2 weeks, it's 21, and then after one more week, 3 weeks, 28. So any date you're starting, just go upward or downward. So it's completed 1 week. From 8 to 15, it's 1 week. From 11 to 18, it's 1 week. If you're going forward or backward, from 18 to 11, it's 1 week earlier. So it's the 60th of June, 2 weeks earlier. Same like question number 7. Choose the choice from the choices to estimate how long it takes. For minute, I will write MIN. For hour, I write H. For day, D. And for week, or just write the first letter in capital. To shake hand with a friend. Take a day? No, even less than a minute. To eat your breakfast. More than, also we are choosing minutes. Or to walk around the outside of your school building. Maybe take hours. Okay, for the grass to grow 5 centimeters. Maybe take days or more than days. You can choose day or week. Both correct. Write one more thing for each of these time units. Mean what you will do in minutes, in hours, in days, in weeks. Write one more things for each of these time units. So minutes, what you can do in hour, sleep, 3 hour, 4 hour. Just write it down. Minute, you can choose eat, pizza, burger, anything. Days or week. Days, you can choose a journey. Or for week, it's better journey. And for days, it will take 2 days. So you will write for days. Football match. Tournament and not taking days. Tournament. It will take 3 days, I think. If it is within a city, simple. You can write a visit to a friend. Visit to a friend house or friend home. After this, question number 8, November, December, and January. Find 2 days and date that are 17 days apart. For example, I'm choosing the first, and then after 17 days, 18, 1, starting from here until 17, and the next start 18. So until 17, 17 days. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, again 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 from here, 14, 15, 16, 17 until here. So find 2 days. So we will choose November and dates that are 17 days apart. So choose the first 18, 1 to 18, from 1st to 80th of November, and the second, sorry, not 18, 17 of November, and then 18th to 4th. 18th, then here you need to mention the month, November to 4th of December. I'm just writing abbreviation of, so you can write like this. So like this you can choose 2 dates. It's enough, no need to write the days. Days for first it's Tuesday, and then the second one Friday. Question number 9, page number 208. Anna's, this two question, leave it the same the previous. Anna's was away for 13 days. Write two possible pair of dates for when she left and came back. Two possible dates. Anna's was away for 13 days. Right? So 13 days we starting from 1st until 30th, and then the second will start from 14 until 13 days. 14, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So until 36. So first from 1 to 13, and then 14 to 26. So you can write these dates here, same like the previous question number 8. Okay, let's do this question also. Okay, Marcel's, Mustafa, and Majax went camping. Marcel's left on 9 November. Mustafa left on 12, and Majak left 27 November. They all came home on 6th December. How long was each boy away camping? Okay, let's start. There are 3. 9th November. Left on 9th November, and they all came back on 6th December. From 9th November until 6th December. 9th November, 9th December. 1 month complete. And then after this, 9th November and 10th, 9th December. And then it's mean we go back. It's the 6th December. So we will write in weeks because it's less than a month. Okay. So 9th, from 9th until in November we have 30 days from 9 to December, and then for the December month 1 until 6. So 6 days from here, and from 9 to 21, 21 days from here. So 27 days. 27 days. So we can write here 27 days. Again, I'm doing from 9 November until 6 December. So 21 days from November, and after this 6 days from December. So 21 plus 6, 27 days, and 12th is November, 12th November, and 6th December. 12 plus 18, 30, because in the month of November we have 30 days. So 12 plus 18 equal 30. So 18 days from November and 6 days from December. 13 plus 6, 24 days. And like this form, and this one, 27 November, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 30 up to 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 days only. What should be in your mind, the month of November, there are 30 days. December, 31 days. The month of 31 days. Parsi Mustafa went camping again 6 weeks after he came home on 6th December, and he stayed 11 days. So what day did he go, and when did he come back? Easy. It's mean he left went camp after again 6 weeks after. So after from 6th December, if we move forward 6 weeks after, so 6 in 6 weeks we have in 1 month we have 4 weeks, mean 30 days or 28. So in 6 weeks 6 multiplies 7, because in a week we have 7 days. So 7 multiplies 6, 42. So 6 December, and in 6 week we have 42 days after 6 December. 6 December, it's mean the remaining 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 20, 30, 31, 25 days from December, and 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 7. So we need to minus from 42, 42, 25, 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 5, 40, 42, 17 more days. So 25 plus 17 of this January. Okay, from 6th December. So 42 December. If you move forward 42 days, it's coming as 17 or 18 January. 18 January, yes. So we write here 18 January because the day of 6 we not include, so it's coming 18 January. Okay, 6 week after he came home after this 6 September, he stay 11 days. 18 plus 10, 28, 29 of January. He came back to home. Question number 9. As I told you, you can write these dates as the question number 8a, part 1. Let's move to the next page. Part B for 9. Javed was away from for 17 days. Write two possible pair of dates for when he left and came back. Obviously, we cannot use only 1 month. We can use 2 months, which were not here. The next month also, because in 1 month we have only 31, and if 17 plus 17, there are 34. Okay, so we choose the last month or the next month. So Javed was away from for 17 days. So for example, he left on first of May, and he came back 17 May, and the next 17th of May, and again he left 18th May, and then he counted 17 from 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3 on 3rd of after May, June. 3rd June. Let's start 14.2 timetables. Timetables. This is a work example. Let's start the question on the next page. This timetable shows a day at the seaside for Ikra. Arrive 10:15 a.m. Play games this time, eat lunch this time, different times. What time did Ikra arrive? We are using same timetable. So Ikra arrived. What time did she leave or left? She leaves, sorry. So when did she arrive? 10:15 a.m. So arriving time 10:15 a.m. and she left 3:15 p.m. Arriving time and when she leave. Uh, what was Ikra doing at 12:30? Eat lunch, because the time between 12:15 until 1 p.m. she was eating lunch. When did Ikra finish playing games? Where is playing games? 12 p.m. She started 11:15 a.m. and then finished 12 p.m. Ikra's mom buy ice cream at 2:20 p.m. Why is this a bad idea? 2:20 p.m. Because she was swimming. From 2 to 3 she was swimming. So that's why. Ikra is swimming. That's why. Page number 211. Question number 2. This table show the journey of 5 short flights. The timing here. Poitras plane arrived back in his hometown 147. What flight is he on? 147, sorry. 147. Flight D. Because she arrived back. Takeoff mean go. The aeroplane left the airport. And landing mean come back from any other place, or any other port, or any other city, any other country. So this is landing and takeoff. I mean go to another country or another city. So it's she came back 147. So we just see in this column. So flight D. Ani arrives at the airport at 2:10. She was just missed her flight. She arrived at airport, not the aeroplane. She missed her flight. Which flight was she supposed to be on? 2:10. So I think this 2:06. This one, the nearest one, flight C. And she was 4 minutes late. Larry arrives at the airport at 1:30. Which is the next flight? 1:30. Which is the next flight from 1:30? 1:30. Which is the next flight? Yes, the next flight is because of this all the timing. This one nearest 1:47, then 1:30. It means arrive at the airport at 1:30. So there is this flight, obviously it's gone. The next flight is flight E. Departure, takeoff, and landing arrives. Okay, boys, let's move to the next question. Number 3. Use the school timetables to answer the question. At what time does the music lesson start? At what time does it finish music lesson? Where is music? This one. From 1:30 until 2 o'clock. So from 1:30 until 2 o'clock, we will write here. 1:30 to 2 o'clock. This is the start time and this is the ending time. Music starts at 1:30 and ends at 2. So I just write like this. At what time does math start, math lesson, and what time does math finish? So math, where is math class? 10:15 until 11. 10:15 to 11. By what time do you need to go to school in the morning? School, where is school? This the spelling, the class start 9. It means the first. It should be at 9 o'clock in the school because 9 after 9 until 9:15 you have the spelling class. So 9 o'clock you should be in the school. On the timetable, what is your favorite lesson? When does it start? Write anything. You can say it's a break. Wait, okay, it like this better. Break time, break. It starts at 12:45 and ends 1 o'clock. Okay, let's move to the next page. This timetable shows the buses that go from the train station to the bus station each morning. Okay, so train station 9, shopping center, school, park, and bus station. Different timing. Okay, Kalpana missed the 9:21 bus from the shopping center to school. What time is the next bus that she could catch? So different timing we can see here. She missed 9:21 bus from the shopping center. This is 9:21. So the next we have this one, but you want to go to school, so this one not going to school. This 12:50, 12:18. This one, this time bus 12:18. If you want to go to school, 12:18 bus. What time is the last bus from the train station to the park? The last bus. It's not this one. Train station to the park. This one 10:40, and when it will leave left train station 10:05. So 10:05 to 10:40. So we can write here its starting time 10:05 and its arrive at 10:40. So 10:05 its arrive 10:40. Use information in this timetable to write a question and in its answer. No need to skip this question. Let's move to the next page. Question number 5. The timetables show the times that it takes to travel between Amswell and Norton using different types of transport, bus, minibus, train. Okay, you need to be at Norton before 8:30. So which transport will you use? Which transport will you use? Would you use? What time would you arrive? So we have the time 8:30 before 8:30. So we can use 8:30, 8:28. We will use train because it's arrive at 8:28. The time we have 8:30. Other both useless for us. You need to be at Norton. So we need not these two. Train is better option. You miss the 812 minibus at Necton to Disney Green. Daisy Green. What else could you use? What time would you arrive? So the 812. If we miss this one, so we are using 814. We are using bus, which one arrive on Daisy Green 825. So better option 814, and it will arrive, which arrives at 825. Question 6. The timetable show the A14 bus route from the bus station to the train station. What time does the first bus leave from the bus station? So the first bus, it's 6:05. No, bus station from the bus station. So this is first bus in the morning. This is 6:05. The time is 6:05. The first bus left the bus station. Okay, when does it arrive at village hall? If starting 6:05, then village hall, it will arrive at 6:48. If I want to get to the village hall before 8, which two buses can I catch for from High Road? From High Road, if I want to come to the okay before 8. So we have two options. Which two options? We are catching this one from High Road 6:15, and the 7 is this one. These two buses we are catching. Oh, they're all more than 8, 9, 10, 12. So we are catching these two from High Road to the village. This is 6:15 and 7:18. These two buses. Because it's all before 8 o'clock. How many A14 buses stop at the village hall? I think there are 5 because the sixth one there is cross. Village hall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5, so we can write it 5 buses. Question 7. The timetable show the B26 bus route from bus station to the train station. Some rain has dropped onto the timetable and washed out the bus number. Okay, add the bus numbers to the top row of the table using these clues. Bus 150 only stop at one destination after the bus station. So which bus is this? Bus 150, only one stop at one destination after the bus station. After the bus station, there is only one stop, the side. So this is bus 150. Bus no need to write, just write the number. It's enough. You write 150. Excuse me. After this, bus 90E arrives at the village hall at 25 to 7. 25 to 7 mean 25 minutes remaining to 7 o'clock. So it means this 6:35. This one. So the time. This is the bus number. The bus is 90E. Bus 380 is the first bus. So this one 380. You can use B here. Mia uses bus 222 to arrive at the train station for the 2:30 train. So Mia used bus 222 arrive at the train station. Train station 200. This is 230. So this one is better option. So it's bus 222. And the last remaining bus 3C is the bus that is the leftover. So write 3C simple. So here we can write 3. So let's move to the next page. Next question. Page number 216. Question number 8. Use the timetable to answer the question. Can you travel from Oham to Ironside on 713 bus? 713 bus Oham to Ironside. No. It's coming but not arrive at this. There is no stop. Simple right? No. If you had to travel from Oham to West Hall and had to arrive 7:30, which would be the best bus to catch? 7:30 Hall and West Hall. 7:30. This is the best option. So 7:10. Right here 7:10 from Oham. Question C. The 6:40 bus from Bidwell is full. You need to arrive at Nashville by 8. Can you still do this? So, how would you get there? Obviously, you can do this. You can catch the bus 12, 7:29. Yeah, you can catch this. You can catch 8:28. No, 7:29. Yes, this one. You can catch this. Again, I'm reading 6:40. The bus 6:40 from Bidwell is full. This one full. So the next we have option 7:29. So yes, and the 7:29, right? Yes. 29. Let's move over to the next page. Question number 9. The teacher from class 3 has made a timetable for school activities. Okay. Liming wishes to go to arts and craft, cooking, gardening, and cycling. Make a list of for Liming for the day and times that she can do her activities. So you can starting from art and craft. For art and craft, the time is 4:50 to 5 o'clock. And the next Tuesday, this is Tuesday. And then you will write for cooking. Cooking, where is cooking? Cooking. 3 to 4 on Thursday. 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock Thursday. Cooking done. Then gardening. Gardening, you have Wednesday, this one, 2 to 3. 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock on Wednesday. And after this, cycling, the last thing, 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, 3 to 4. 3 to 4 o'clock. The day is Monday. Okay, like this, we finish unit 14 from math workbook for grade 3. Goodbye. In the next video, I will start unit 15.